Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano S Plus with Coinbase. First, connect your Ledger device to your computer with the provided USB cable. Then, open the Ledger Live application and unlock your device. Make sure you have installed the specific cryptocurrency applications, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, on your Ledger through Ledger Live. This prepares your hardware wallet for secure transactions. Now, let's transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Ledger. In Ledger Live, select the account you wish to fund and click Receive to get your unique address. Verify this address directly on your Ledger Nano S Plus screen for security. Then, go to Coinbase, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, and paste the verified Ledger address into the recipient field. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction. To send cryptocurrency from your Ledger Nano S Plus to Coinbase, first open the corresponding crypto application on your Ledger device and in Ledger Live. Next, go to your Coinbase account and locate the deposit address for the specific asset you wish to send. Carefully copy this address. Then, in Ledger Live, initiate a send transaction, paste the Coinbase deposit address, and confirm the details on your Ledger device to authorize the transfer. For maximum security, always verify the receiving address directly on your Ledger Nano S Plus screen before confirming any transaction. Your recovery phrase is crucial. Keep it safe, offline, and never share it with anyone, not even Ledger or Coinbase support. Regularly update your Ledger Live application and device firmware to ensure optimal performance and security features. These steps protect your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.